Imagine your home not just as a place to live, but as a canvas that reflects your personality and mood. Welcome to Home Inspiration. Today, we're taking you on a journey through 10 stunning interior designs inspired by the latest color trends. From warm, earthy tones to bold and vibrant hues, each room tells a unique story. Let's dive in. Our first stop is a living room bathed in the natural warmth of terracotta walls. This earthy tone evokes the grounding energy of sunlit clay. A beige sofa adorned with mustard and light gray cushions invites you to relax, while a round wooden coffee table takes center stage. A geometric cream rug anchors the space, complemented by a lush green plant in the corner. Black matte pendant lighting adds a modern touch, and abstract wall art completes this cozy yet stylish look. Step into a serene bedroom where light gray walls set a calm, elegant tone. The bed takes the spotlight with ivory white sheets, a burgundy throw blanket, and soft peach cushions. A large round mirror with a black matte frame expands the space, while sheer white curtains filter natural light. This is a sanctuary designed to soothe your senses after a long day. Now, let's enter a workspace that combines modernity with a gentle touch of millennial pink. The walls inspire creativity, while a sleek white desk and a cool gray-blue chair create a balanced contrast. Minimalist shelves are adorned with books and small potted plants, and a gold-framed motivational poster sparks daily inspiration. A plush beige rug adds an element of coziness underfoot, making this space as functional as it is beautiful. In this dining room, earthy brown walls exude a classic warmth that feels both grounded and inviting. A sturdy wooden dining table takes center stage, surrounded by chairs with ivory cushions. A ceramic vase filled with mustard yellow flowers serves as a striking centerpiece, while a woven rattan pendant light casts a soft, intimate glow. This space invites conversation and connection over a delicious meal. The kitchen comes alive with mustard yellow cabinets that radiate cheerful energy. A light gray countertop provides a sleek contrast, while a white marble backsplash adds a hint of luxury. Wooden bar stools with blue-gray cushions sit neatly under the counter, offering a cozy breakfast spot. Geometric gold pendant lights overhead tie the whole design together, creating a vibrant and functional space. Enter a luxurious entertainment room where burgundy walls make a dramatic statement. A velvet gray sofa balances the boldness, while a glass coffee table with gold accents adds a touch of glamour. Ivory drapes soften the space, and an abstract cream and burgundy rug ties everything together. Modern pendant lighting completes this bold yet elegant space, perfect for hosting or relaxing in style. Experience calm like never before in this second bedroom, featuring blue-toned gray walls that mimic the tranquility of the sky. The bed, dressed in ivory linens with a mustard yellow throw, exudes understated elegance. A beige reading chair sits in the corner, accompanied by a sleek floor lamp. A hanging plant adds a hint of nature, making this a space where relaxation comes effortlessly. Transform your dining room with soft peach walls that exude warmth and charm. A sleek white table and millennial pink chairs create a modern, inviting centerpiece, complemented by a cloud-shaped pendant light for a soft glow. Beige curtains and a textured white rug complete the cozy, elegant look, perfect for memorable meals and gatherings. The family room is a picture of elegance with its ivory white walls. A soft gray sofa is accented with terracotta and burgundy cushions, creating a sophisticated color palette. A natural wooden coffee table topped with a vase of soft peach flowers adds a warm focal point, while minimalist shelves display books and greenery. Sheer white curtains let natural light flood the space, making it inviting and timeless. Finally, we arrive at a living room that embodies coziness, with warm beige walls setting the tone. A large ivory sofa is layered with mustard yellow and earthy brown cushions, inviting you to sink in. A low wooden coffee table holds scented candles, while a fluffy gray-blue rug adds a comforting texture. Sheer curtains allow soft light to fill the room, creating a peaceful and welcoming atmosphere. Each color tells a story, and each space reflects a personality. Which of these designs speaks to you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more inspiring interior ideas. See you in the next video.